A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I welcome to all of my students of biology to my channel Biology with Abid Malik. Today we start our lesson that's relevant to branches of biology. If we have to consider the last three discoid branches like zoology, botany as well as microbiology, if we have to see these branches in all aspects of all other aspects of life, all other aspects of studies, so we divide them into more other branches of biology. So that's our today's topic. We will try to learn branches of biology after that session. Now I am moving forward to start this one. Thank you very much. Please listen. Branches of biology which we have to study today: morphology, anatomy, histology, cell biology, physiology, genetics, embryology, taxonomy, paleontology, environmental biology, sociobiology, parasitology, biotechnology, immunology, entomology. Today's that are the branches which are concerned to our learning process. So first of all, we start with the morphology. Morphology is a branch of biology in which we study the form and structure of living things. Secondly, anatomy is the branch of biology in which we study the internal structures. When we are studying the internal structures of living things, so that is termed as anatomy. Histology, simply we can define it, it's a microscopic study of tissues. It's a microscopic study of tissues. Cell biology is a branch of biology in which we study the structure and function of cells as well as cell organelles. Two things: structure and function of cell and cell organelles. But one more thing, cell division is also be studied in cell biology. Physiology is a branch of biology in which we study the function of different parts of living organism. If we are studying the function of different parts of living organism, then we are studying the physiology. Genetics is a branch of biology in which we study the genes and its role in inheritance. But there is a need to grab more information about inheritance. Inheritance means transmission of characteristics from parents to offspring generation. Thank you. Next branch is relevant to embryology. Embryology is a branch of biology in which we study the development of an embryo to its new individual. Development of an embryo to new individual, that portion of studies is termed as embryology. Taxonomy is a branch of biology in which we study naming and classification of organisms into groups and subgroups. If we are trying to naming and classify the organism into groups and subgroups, that is termed as taxonomy. Paleontology is the branch of biology in which we study the fossils, but there is a need to learn about fossils. Fossils are the remains of extinct organisms that remains buried in earth as well as in rocks. Fossils are the remains of extinct organisms. Environmental biology, it deals with the study of interaction between the organism and their environment. If the interaction of organism and their environment we are studying, then we are studying the basically environmental biology. Sociobiology, this branch deals with the study of social behavior of the animals that make societies. We are just studying the behavior of animals to make up the society. Parasitology is a branch of biology in which we study the parasites. Parasites are those organisms which get food from the host and in return give harmful effects. Biotechnology is a branch in which we study practical application of living organism to make substances for the welfare of mankind. In simple scenario, we can put that use of microorganisms for the welfare of mankind is termed as biotechnology. Immunology is a branch of biology in which we study the immune system of animals, which defends the body against invading organisms as well as microbes. Where we are studying the immune system, that becomes a part of immunology. Entomology simply is the study of insects. If we are studying the insects, then we are studying the entomology. Pharmacology, it is the study of drugs and their effects on the systems of human body. Biochemistry is the study of molecules of life. Water, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acid. But little bit, I want to put one more thing. If we are studying the molecular level of these compounds like water, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids, and also development of our body, so we are studying the molecular chemistry. But if we are studying the just chemistry of these particles, water, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acid, so we are studying the biochemistry. Evolution, do you know about the parasites? Describe about fossils. Would you like to share about entomology? Please define genetics. Do you know about the biochemistry? लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन में डिटेल्ड अबाउट 5 ब्रांचेस ऑफ बायोलॉजी। और यहाँ पे अब चूँकि हमारा आज का लेसन ख़त्म हो गया, मैं आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आप लोगों को अगर हमारा लेसन पसंद आया है तो आप प्लीज़ हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इसको अपने दोस्तों तक आगे रिकमेंड करें।